How to back up photos on Google Drive automatically. To automatically back up your photos to Google Drive, the best way is by using the Google Photo app, which sync directly with your Google account. First, download and open the Google Photo app on your phone. Sign in with your Google account, then tap your profile icon in the top right and go to Photo Settings. From there, tap Back Up and Sync, and make sure it's turned on. This will automatically upload all your photo and videos to the cloud. While they won't appear directly in your Google Drive folder structure, they're safely stored and accessible through photos.google.com or the app. If you prefer uploading directly to Drive, you'll need to manually do it via Drive app. There's currently no automatic sync between your photo gallery and Google Drive folders. So, seamless automatic backup. Google Photo is the way to go, and your media stays back up and accessible across all your devices. So that's it.